Hello PowerPoint users and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to create this beautiful mountain shape infographic using PowerPoint. So let's get started. As usual, let's first enable the guides and then format the background with two-step radial gradient. Change the gradient direction and stop colors with light gray and white color. Next, go to Insert tab and then draw a triangle shape. Remove its outline and then increase the transparency to see through. Next, right click on the shape and then choose Edit Points. Drag the top edit point slightly towards left just to give it a mountain shape. Next, go to Insert tab and then draw another triangle shape. Remove its outline. Change its fill color to red and then increase the transparency to see through. Now slightly rotate this shape and then drag and place it over the first triangle shape, keeping the top corner point as reference. Now select both the shapes and fragment them together. Drag out the unnecessary fragment shape and then delete it. Next, change the left fragmented shape color to light gray and bring back its transparency. Change the right fragmented shape color to white and bring back its transparency as well. Now select both the shapes and create a duplicate set using Ctrl+D. Next, go to Insert tab, select Freeform Shape and then draw a zigzag pattern over the shapes as shown. Let's cover the entire lower portion of both triangle shapes and then join it together to form a new shape. Remove its outline, change its fill color to red and then increase the transparency to see through. Since we have two triangle shape, let's duplicate this new zigzag shape using Ctrl+D and align it over the original shape as shown. Next, select each triangle and zigzag shape in pair and intersect them together. That gives the required intersecting portions as shown. Change the fill colors of both the shapes with different shades of pink color and then align them over the original triangle shape as shown. Select all the shapes, drag them towards left and then group them together. Now duplicate this group using Ctrl+D. Send it to back, align and reduce its size as shown. Duplicate this shape two more times and align one behind the other by reducing their sizes. Select all the group of shapes and then align them to bottom. Let's slightly align them centrally to our slide. Next, select the first zigzag shape of second mountain group. Right click and then choose Edit Points and then adjust the position of each corner edit points. Similarly, do it for second zigzag shape as well. We do this adjustment just to make sure the zigzag pattern is not same for all the mountain shapes. Similarly, adjust the positions for third and fourth mountain groups. Next, select all the mountain groups and then apply reflection effect. Adjust the blur value to give it a realistic effect. Let's slightly align all the shapes as per our slide layout. Next, create a shadow effect at the bottom of all mountains by using a ellipse shape. Remove its outline and format it with 3-step path gradient. Change first two stop colors to dark gray and increase the transparency of right side stop color to 100%. Send it to back and adjust the position until we get a thin line of shadow effect. Finally, add all PNG icons onto our design. Aligning all PNG icons is a bit important here. Add the heading text fields and then place them as per the mountain heights. At last, add the title text. And here is the final preview. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.